Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Chevy Camaro SS. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all on the front. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. Okay, this door is in excellent condition. I do not see no dents or scratches on here at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're gonna have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and spoiler, they're perfect. I do not see any scratches, and the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. So the driver's side and the back of the car is spotless. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent. No scratches here at all, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're gonna take a look at the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition. No scratches here, no dents on here. Everything here is in excellent condition. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender is perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're gonna have a look inside. We're gonna start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seats now. Back here looks good as well. So the driver's side is in perfect condition. Now we're gonna take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat is in excellent condition. Let's move on to the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all. Now let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. That looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.